Can an LLC own an S corporation? No. An LLC cannot own shares in an S corporation because IRS rules restrict S Corp ownership to individuals, certain trusts, and estates. Businesses such as LLCs, corporations, and partnerships are not eligible shareholders. This restriction exists to maintain the pass-through tax structure of an S corporation. For example, if you tried to have ABC Holdings LLC own stock in an S Corp, the S Corp could lose its status and automatically convert to a C corporation, which comes with double taxation. To stay compliant, only eligible individuals or qualified entities should own S corporation shares. If you want your LLC and S Corp connected, an alternative is to have the same individual own both, or to consider structuring the LLC to elect S Corp taxation instead. This way, you get some of the tax benefits without breaking IRS rules. Zen Business can guide you on entity structures and help ensure your LLC or S Corp is set up correctly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.